final product. So this is the finished room. I think we can all agree that it's a major improvement. Gone out of the turquoise walls, and we have these beautiful crisp walls and ceilings. I just think like the gold hardware and everything just pops on it. And we have some new curtains. These are gorgeous. These are from H&M. We have a bit of a sheer thing happening here, which is very nice, very relaxed, very coastal. And then we have these gorgeous side tables. We got these off Sabra Home, and they have this beautiful brass detail on them with the glass top, and we had a little marble tray and these beautiful lamps from H&M. Sorry, Martin Spencer's. These ones are hard one to find because it's hard to find like good quality lights for a reasonable price. And we succeeded, and I just love the like glow they emit. Like it's very tranquil, which is what a bedroom should be. It should be relaxing. Just very fun, it's bright, it's colourful, it's nice. And I really like how it turned out. And I think it gets extra props because we literally done everything ourselves. Get back over here with that camera! Painted, we assembled, we disassembled, dismantled. We styled, we done everything, and we shopped, which was the fun part. And then over here, we kept Tara's original dresser unit because I just think this is a beautiful unit. I just think it looks really, really nice. And it has this like kind of black hardware on it, so just kind of tie that in with the like curtain pole and the mirror. And then we added this like little base from H&M. I love this. I think this kind of really encapsulates the style of the room. And then a little candlestick, candle holder, little designer coffee table book because that's how we do it. And then some extra books and a little tray, catch-all tray for Tara's like, you know, jewellery or whatever she has. And a eucalyptus plant because you know these are my favourite. I get them in berries and grey, just if you're wondering the best place to get your faux flowers from. And then we have a little seating area over here. Tara comes back from a long day of studying. She's gonna sit back, relax, and have a beautiful pan of her room, or get her book out, her laptop out, do a little reading because Tara likes to read. And Tara's favourite part of the room, I think, is the art prints. But I'll let her go into all the details of them because she picked them out herself. And she's very proud of them. So what do you think of your room?
I love it.
Yeah, what's
love
your
it,
favorite?
love it, love it.
My favorite aspect of it, or detail, or addition?
The art prints. I love
What
them.
does it look? Come on.
Okay, so
Show us around.
first one we have is a picture of Brigitte Bardot. So she was like an actress back in the day, and she was just so stunning, and I thought this picture was really nice, and the black and white made it really cool because all my other pictures have colour. And then I saw this one online. It's actually by an artist called Frank Moth, and it's called You Loved Me 1,000 Summers Ago. And I just thought it was really nice. Like, I loved the flowers in it, and I loved the colours, and I thought it kind of matched well with the rest of them. And yeah, I found it. I got all my prints from Redbubble, and then all my frames from Poster Store. So then my two favourite prints, definitely by far, is these two above my bed. This one is a Van Gogh painting called Café Terrace at Night, and it's like he was in France when he painted this, just like on a street, and it's just gorgeous. I'm obviously going to France, so I thought it was really nice. I love the colours in it. I think it's so beautiful. And then the other one is a picture of Stevie Nicks, because obviously I love Fleetwood Mac, and I thought it was just really interesting and cool, and like tied in well with the rest of them. I love the colours in it. Definitely, they're my favourites.
And then over here, this is I think this is the most exciting addition to the space. We built in Tara little like makeup station. Originally, her makeup station was over at the other window, but the light comes from here. And also, when you're sitting up here, like the view is just amazing. So it's very inspiring when you're doing your makeup. We just add a little stool, so it's also up a lot higher than your standard makeup table would be, which is also very nice. And we got a little kind of mirror just for, and now this mirror is a bit too good. You can literally see every single pore And honestly, if I had to look at that every day, I think I'd hate myself. And a little organizer for the makeup, some candles. And I just really love this area. Like, I think this is my favorite area of the room. And if you also notice a little detail here, we added was a little marble kind of vinyl. One, it looks nice, but also when you're doing your makeup, there's a lot of foundation and powder that can drop. So it's easy to clean, which is very important just for any of you who want to make your own little makeup station. And I really love this. And I'm especially proud of it because we built it ourselves. The ceiling light. This one was a tough one to find because we had to find something that would match the side tables, but also these kind of lights are very expensive. So we had to find one that was within budget, and I think we done it. And it's beautiful. Like, I love the gold like finish on it. And wait to turn it on just so you can see it in full effect. Ah, like that's beautiful. Like it's very soft, a very soft glow. And then also we painted the door frames. We didn't paint the actual doors, which was a request by Tara. But I actually do think it looks really nice with just the kind of borders painted. It adds a bit more like interest, and it kind of makes the doors a bit of a feature on their own, which I really like. And that is everything. So, and down here is thoughts on the space, Tara.
I love it. It's so much more like enjoyable to come into the room now and actually just like look at all the different aspects of it, and like it's so much cozier. Do you know, like I mean, it was so ugly before, so honestly anything would have been an improvement. But I love not seeing the turquoise walls. That's like a big plus. Because that was just so ugly and painful to look at. No, I love it. I really do. And I love my makeup area. I've been using it every day, and like it's so nice to get the light from the Velux window, and it's nice to be like high up too, you know, like it's nice to get a bit of height. And obviously like just, yeah, I'm so proud of us for building this and everything, and like, you know, we really are DIY queens, so yeah, love it. I love everything about it, to be honest. I love the bed. I love the bed frame. It's just so comfortable, and I love having the two lamps that match the ceiling light. Like, they're just gorgeous. So, and my little plant, love him.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I have many more projects coming in the next few months. I'm aiming to upload a project every month now till the end of the year. So, I mean, jump along this whirlwind of a journey. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.